Hey everyone, welcome. I am Lynn, this is my project, and today you're coming along for my very first ever 5K, doing the Princess Half Marathon weekend. I'm just doing the 5K, but here's the thing, I haven't trained at all. I am so nervous. I got Corral B, and I'm just taking you guys along for the whole experience, and we'll see what happens. It's chilly. It's 53 degrees out right now. Yesterday it was 89, and it's currently raining. I forgot my poncho. I don't have an umbrella. I forgot my earbuds. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. I'm gonna cry. I'm like borderline tears. I'm so excited. My anxiety is kind of high just because I don't know what to expect. I don't know where I'm going. I'm doing this all alone, but yeah, should be interesting. Let's go run a marathon. No, just kidding. Let's run a 5K.
You are fantastic, awesome. It's gonna be a great morning no matter what we do out here. My name is DJ. Certainly excited to be here with you. We are just a little bit away from getting the race started, my friends.
I can speed walk like nobody's business.
Yeah, me too.
Land of the free and the home of the
trip and fall, roll your ankle. I'm like, well, at least I'll have it on camera this time. Because I do it all the time. Right now? Yeah. God. My hands are so cold.
Yeah, my fingers are very cold.
We just waited 20 minutes for Moana. Totally worth it, I think, as long as we finish, which we will.
Well, like the lady said, it doesn't open until 9. So.
Yeah, we got time. We got this.
After I peek. Good Lord. Lessons learned.
Yeah,
sure.
That's good though. You know, you gotta have this like the learning experience.
Next time I'm gonna come all decked out. I'm gonna pee like 5 times.
We're coming into the America Pavilion right now, and we're at the end of the race. Not as in finish, but as in the sweepers are coming.
Let's go!
Oh, thank you. So, I thought that there was no like time and you could just run. And their sweepers are coming because I stopped for Moana and Rapunzel. film out there because I'm freezing, and I've been freezing. It's 8 o'clock now. We started, I got up at 3, got here at 4:30. The race started at 5:30. I started out with this girl named Danielle, and she was so awesome. Shout out to Danielle. It was really great starting out the run with you. So we started at 6, and then we stopped for Moana, and that wait was over 20 minutes, but we had to stop. The 5K was sponsored by Moana. So we did that, and then the next one was Rapunzel, and I had to stop because I was dressed as her. So stopped and met Flynn and Rapunzel, and when we were in line for that, well, when I was in line for that, they said that the cart was coming, the end of the race was coming up, and the cart will pick you up and you're done. So that terrified me, because when we were standing in line, they said there was no balloon people, that you just basically have to be done before the park opens at 9. That's not true at all. There is an end to the race. There is a time limit, and I'm not sure what would have happened if I got picked up, if I would have still gotten my medal or not. But a few noob mistakes. I wasn't paying attention at all once I got into World Showcase, and I think my first picture is of me like lifting up my tutu, digging around in my fanny pack. And yeah, I don't know. I think this was a great experience. It's truly, I mean, I think anybody can probably do a 5K. It's not that hard, but I wanted to do more photo ops with the different characters, but the lines were so long, and like so long, so long. So I could only stop for 2 of them, but hopefully I get some good pics from around World Showcase, running through there with all the photographers that are trickled all the way throughout that area. I think if you're thinking about doing a 5K at all, go for it. It was a lot of fun. It was really, really nice just talking to all the people that were there doing the same thing, and there were so many first timers, same as me, and you know, we're like all in it together. It was awesome. So yes, look forward to I'll put in some pictures here of the different photo ops I got throughout the race, if I get them in time or not. But you need to make sure that your bib number is showing, or they can't link your picture to you because they don't use your magic band, they use your bib number. That's how they organize all the photos. So I look forward to seeing those. Now I'm gonna go back to the hotel, take a hot shower because I'm freezing. It's currently 53 degrees out, so yeah, that's cold. That's really, really cold for me. So take a hot shower, take a little nap, and then maybe head out to Hollywood Studios or Animal Kingdom later. It's a pretty crappy, cold, rainy day, so just gonna take it easy from here on for the rest of the night, and yeah, pretty proud of myself. Thanks for coming along with me, guys, and remember, every day is a countdown to Disney.